champ is here. The champ is here. The champ is here.
All right, team pull time. Quad baseball box break. Here's a free Hobby box we're going to at the end of the break. 2010 Chrome baseball, as always, totally free. Scott, if you want to zoom in, here's our 2012 museum collection. I believe I showed this Topps logo here on the website. Okay. 2012 Topps Tribute. These are big hitters right here. I believe I showed this one on the hat. Right on. Archives. I believe I showed this one on the S.
Yep.
Okay. And the Jumbo Bowman. I believe I showed this one on the bat. I'm not sure.
Hold on, I cannot. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, maybe show this one too. You see all those?
Are you kidding me? Hold on.
No.
Nope.
Well, I just can't remember. I don't know.
Okay. Tilted. You can't see it. Yep.
Bam! There we go. There's the 4 boxes we're breaking. We're doing team pulls. This one took a while to get going, but man, once we scheduled it, sold out fast. Team Group A, teams going in to the empty pot. You got Marlins, Padres, Pirates, Rays, D-backs, Reds, Yankees, Royals, John M with 4 spots, Stanley R with 1, Scott S with 2, and Chris W with 1. Gonna mix it up here. Do John M's 4 first, hand out back in. First one, looking for the Yankees. Did he get the Mickey Mantle hit, I think, last week? Rays, first team, he did. Second team, John M. Marlins. Third team. The Reds, doing good, but no Yankees yet. 14, John. Let's go. Let's get it. D-backs. Stanley R with 1 spot. Yankees, wow, spiked it. Scott S with 2 in a row. First one, Padres. Second one, Royals. That means Chris W gets the Pirates. Team Group B. The Phillies, Twins, Nationals, Tigers, Astros, Indians, Red Sox. Gonna mix these up. Sean K with 1, Jared K with 2, John A with 1, John M.N. with another 1, Stanley R with another 1, and Henry P backing in with 1. I'm going to mix these up. Start with Sean K. Hand out that in. Sean. Indians. Jared K. 2 in a row, back to back, going with the Tigers. And the Twins. John A, 1. You got the Red Sox. It's not a bad one to get. John M.N. Phillies. Stanley R. You got the Astros. And that means Henry P. is getting the Nationals. Looking for that heartburn. Team Group C. Cardinals, Giants, Cubs, Rockies, Mets, Angels, Rangers, Albert W with 2, Alan M with 3, Franz G back again with 1, the Mad Scientist, and Glenn G with 1. And it mixes up Albert W with 2 in a row. Hand out. First one, Albert. Rangers, always getting hits. Looking for that U. Second one, Rockies. Alan M. Alan. Mets. Second one, Cardinals, he's killing it. Third one, Cubs, making it rain for Alan M. Franz G with 1. Come on, Franz. You got the Angels, ooh, look for that Trout. And Glenn G with the Giants, not bad. Man, that group was stacked. Team Group D, Orioles, A's, Braves, Brewers, Dodgers, Mariners, White Sox, Blue Jays. We got Darren C with 1. Jeff G with 2, good to see you back. Lorenzo L with 1, good to see you back. John M with another 1, Stanley R with another 1, and Jared K with another 2. Gonna mix these up, hand out back in. Start with Darren C. Come on, brother, beginner's luck. Blue Jays. Jeff G with 2 in a row. Jeff rolling with White Sox. And the Brewers. Lorenzo L. Oh, you know I need to grab scissors. Son of a... Braves, John M with 1. Should be in that top drawer to the left. With the A's, a slow roll.
I got time.
Stanley R. See him? No? You can grab a knife just out of that cabinet. With the Mariners, oh, you got scissors right there, right below you. No, other, over. Other side where you're looking. Yes, down. Top drawer, scissors.
Other.
Yes, other side. You're looking at one side, I say the other.
Well, I didn't know it was
John
outside.
M. with the Mariners. You got 2 left. Stanley R.
Wait, who?
John M. with the Mariners.
I got John M with the A's.
Dude, it's hard. I know.
No, Stanley R. with
Oh
the-
yeah, you're right.
And
Stanley
the-
R. Yep.
and Mariners.
I thought I saw 3 in here.
No, Mariners.
Stanley R. No, this is Jared K. He's got both.
Yeah, now we have the last
Yep,
2.
I got you. You dropped something.
Yep, I got it.
You got Orioles for Jared K. and the Dodgers. Bam. Done. Time to break. You got those scissors?
Yeah, this is we got it all.
Here. Thank you, sir. All right. Crisis averted. Let's do, you want to start with the archives? Let's go with the cheap one first.
Obviously, you really didn't care about my opinion.
Yeah, no, definitely. Would you want to go for the Chrome? For the Bowman, I mean?
Yeah.
Jumbo? What side do you want, left or right?
I want the upper right quadrant and the lower left.
Alright. I kind of broke that. That would have been a good one to store some cards in too. It's a bummer. There we go. Bam! Let's get into it. This is going to be a long one, so we're going to rip right through Scott's side. Got Hudson, Grandy, Hanson, Axford, Jeter, Posey, Wilson, and Canerco. What's up?
Your shoulder's a little bit bad. Here. Frankly, was taking a sip.
You got Worth, Swisher, Soto, Gordon, Singleton, Martinez, Chu, and Wright. Cueto, Seaver, Verlander, Jennings. Oh, you got a Mickey Mantle refractor. Hellickson, Rollins, Pedroia. Morse, Chapman, Tulo, Freeze. You got an Eddie Murray with the Gold Archives logo. One of the Orioles. Shields, Teixeira. Go with Hanley in the back. Morneau, Garcia, Morgan, Ortiz. You got a Grandy sticker, Howard, Uke, Freeman. Hamilton, Cal, Sanchez, Kendrick, Clark, Weeks, Jimenez, and Gonzalez. Chipper Jones with a bent corner already. Clayton Kershaw. Derek Jeter. You got a Mike Moustakas for the Royals, gold. Mattingly, Cabrera, Montero, and Juan Carlo. Mickey Mantle, Ty Cobb, Scudero, Clemente. You got a George Anderson for the Phillies with the Gold Archives logo. Reynolds, Latos, and Zimmerman. Moustakas, Cahill, Strawberry, Craig. Got another refractor. This one's LK line of the Tigers. Tim Lincecum, Duda, Sandoval. Danks, Lowry, Masterson, Carter. You got a Willie Mays, McCann, Bautista, Ramirez. Greinke, Holiday, Hayward. You got a Lance Parrish auto for the Tigers. Man, I would love to have that. And with the gold Topps Archives logo. Tigers, Jared K. There you go, brother. First hit of the break. Lance Parrish, come on now. We got a Josh Hamilton sticker, Garza, Walden, Giarda. I almost said you don't have a single auto on your side. Maybe they're all towards the top. Michael Bourne, Braun, Votto, Vogelsong. Here's a cool Roberto Clemente with that Gold Archives logo for the Pirates. Sweet looking card. Ichiro, Pujols, Cabrera. That means we got 2 autos on my side. See who we get here. Mauer, another one that's a little bent up in the top corner. Ricky Weeks, Hosmer, Gardner, Roberto Clemente, Longoria, Victorino, Cano. Rivera, Catfish, Fielder, Weaver, Wally Joyner, McCutcheon, Brett, Carlos Santana, Lily, Romero, Hernandez, Sizemore, Hamilton, Cruz, Beckett, Lee. I'm going to start flying through these in case I see some. It's Don Mattingly with the Gold Archives logo for the Yankees. Another Jeter sticker. Aaron Sevilla, Castro, Valverde. Luis Tiant, Buchholz, Nova, Nolan Ryan. Peacock, Camaro, Santana. There you go. Ramos Ramirez for the Brewers. Sid Beam, Lester, Kimbrel, Napoli. Should have 2 autos left. R.A. Dickey. This is a Duke Snyder with the Gold Archives for the Brooklyn Dodgers. You got Jim Rice, Kemp. Strasburg, Sandoval, Helton, Chase Utley, Miguel Escobar. Man, it looks like all the autos are in the bottom of the box. Struble, Cabrera, Upton, Angels. Is that on? No. One. Alex Avila, Roy Halladay, Pineda. We got 2 packs left. Yikes, I might have flown over an auto. Unless they're both in here. Andrus, Lind, Boggs. There we go. Wally Backman for the Mets with that Archives logo. Mets went to Alan M. 3 spots in Team Group C. Got that Wally Backman. Got Rod Carew sticker. Prados, Cespedes, and a Yu Darvish back to back. Let's hope we got that auto in here. Harrison, Ike Davis, Berra, Butler, Monte Irvin with the Archives logo, Kochman, Morgan, and Trumbull. Maybe I blew through it. Oh no, it's only 2 autographs. What am I thinking? The box. All right, which one do you want to do next?
So both were on your side?
Yeah. No, one was on yours. Yeah, you had the Tigers.
I had the Tigers,
Yep.
and then you had the Wally Backman?
Yeah. I don't know, I was thinking there was 3. All right, this one I'm going to fly through unless I see a... what side do you want, left or right, or what?
Left.
Okay. I'm going to fly through these unless I see a refractor or an auto. Might as well get a drink now. This is going to be a long one. All right, start on Scott's side here. Oh, that light, I can't even read these. Got an Austin Chrome, Rosario, Blaschi, Bichetti, Maples. You got an Adam Lind, and there's a Vance Worley blue out of 500. You got an Ellsbury, Bowman's Best. You got a blue Rafael Ortega. That's out of 250 going to the Rockies. Ichiro on the back. A couple refractors already.
Hey.
What's that?
Going really fast.
Yeah, well, I said I'm going to go fast unless I hit a refractor.
Right.
Bird, Ace, Campos, Shane Vincieto. Man, it looks cool. Rendia. You got Trevor Cahill. Robbie Price. Your Bowman's Best is Jared Parker. Woo. Cass Carter, Zach Walters, Kraus, Edgin, McInnes, Barnes. Woo. Dexter Fowler for the Rockies. Sick looking card there. Evan Longoria, Bowman best. Yu Darvish, base rookie. First U of this box. You got Jeff Ross, Rookie Davis, Brett Krill, Taylor Whitman, Anthony Fernandez, and a Holtzen. You got a Brett Lowry gold. Behind that, you got an Edward Cabrera, another hit for the Rockies. Hits out of 500. Josh Hamilton, Bowman best. Flip back over to Scott's side. Michael Gonzalez, Nina, there's a Bryce Harper Chrome, Dylan Howard, Tommy Joseph. Your gold is a Tom Malone. You got a Billy Hamilton, Bowman best, and a Jared Parker rookie auto for the A's. Nice hit there for the A's. Where you at? John M. down in Team Group D. Got that Parker. How you doing over there, Scott? Tyler Collins, Dean Green, Graham, Anderson, Tim Krabby. You got an Eric Burkamp, rookie for the Giants. You got an orange Carlos Santana. That's out of 250 going to the Indians. Dominguez for Bowman's best. Yeah, it's stacking up.
Okay, yeah.
Got a Brad Peacock rookie.
That's our hit.
Yeah, yep. Got Brennan Smith, Matthew West, Kyle Simone, Raul Alcantara, AJ Jimenez, Matt Perk, Roy Oswalt, and you got a Starlin Castro for the Cubs out of 500. Clayton Kershaw, Bowman best. Another Jared Parker. You got a Pasternicki, Jared Weaver, Steven Strasburg. Got 5 more of these bad boys left. Whew. Taylor Green. You got Boone Whiting, Emilio King, Brandon Brown, Galvez, Carlos Martinez, CC Sabathia. Behind that, you got a Zach Wheeler. Oh, nice hit for the Pirates. Garrett Cole, auto, 7 of 50 for the Pirates. There we go. Chris W. ball 1 spot in Team Group A. Got that Garrett Cole auto. Nice hit, brother. Right behind that, you got a Bryce Harper. Man, look at that card. It's legit got a crease mark in it.
It's nice.
So Garrett Cole auto out of 50 too. Suna, Domenico Tavares, Bilo, Castanelis, Cardonia, Rivera. You got an Andrew Susak for the Giants. Talan. Before to my side. That was on your side, Scott. Actually, no, it wasn't. It was on mine. That's classic. Here we go. You got Richard for the A's, Diaz, Malm, Ortega, Wunderlich, Giovanni Soto, Manny Machado's the Bowman best. The next one is a Dante Bichette Jr. for the Yankees. It's going to be unnumbered. Yankees went to Stanley R in Team Group A. There you go, brother. Got the third auto. And we still have 2 packs to go. Woo! Michael, Yepes, Jones, Corsino, Duvall, Medina, Pineda. You got a Corey Hart. Behind that, Jesus Montero for the Mariners. You got a, oh, there's a Cespedes hit for the A's. Another hit for you. Last pack. And we're hopping into the 2 of the big boys. Weiss, Mirande, Hedges, Tilson, Pedersen, Vance Worley. You got a Todd McInnes out of 500. Trevor Bauer, best. Behind that, you got a Richard. You got a Garrett Cole base. Zimmerman. Bam. How you doing over there, buddy? All right, here we go. Let's do the museum collection. Haven't done one of these in a little while. It's been a little while. Which one do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Middle 2.
Here we go. Looks like you got one thick one.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, we're gonna start with your thick one. I think it might be the thickest. Neftali Feliz up $2.99. Lincecum. David Wright. Museum collection. Carlton Fisk. And the hit behind that, Hector Neuse, 21/25. Wow. You got the nice patchwork there with the pinstripe in the middle going to the Yankees. Another Yankee hit for Stanley R. 21/25. Not a bad way to start this box. So I like this pace where you get a hit in every pack. You got Neftali Feliz at a 199. Wow. Jeter. Strasburg. Edgar Martinez at a 99. Behind that, you got a Ken Griffey Museum collection. And you got a quad relic out of 75. Aramis Ramirez, Matt Kemp, Brian McCann, and Prince Fielder. We'll find out who that goes to. Primary pieces. We'll end on your pack. We'll do mine again. Jackie Robinson at a 299. Joe Mauer, Jared Weaver, Joe DiMaggio, and Elvis Andrus at a 299. Archival autos going to the Rangers. Albert W. Rangers always getting hits. Last pack of this box. We're moving on to that bad boy, that Topps Tribute. Feeling good about this pack or no?
You know what?
Yeah?
Yep.
Tony Gwynn at a 199. Carl Crawford. Albert Pujols. Curtis Granderson, the hit. It's a jumbo number. Adrian Gonzalez, 5/30 for the Boston Red Sox. Red Sox, John A. in Team Group B. Got that hit. There you go, buddy. All right, we're hopping into the big one. Topps Tribute. All right, which side do you want? Left or right?
Left.
Go with the left. primary patches. We get swig. Let's do this. We're gonna start on Scott's side. We got a gold refractor. Tim Lincecum. Ooh, I know who it is too. Mike Stanton. Oh, it's a nice pull. Bob Feller. Babe Ruth gold, 23 of 50. That's a nice hit for Stanley R, brother. Those are going for good money on eBay. Behind that, the Reds, Brandon Phillips, 13 of 50. Blue refractor auto going to the Cincinnati Reds. John M in Team Group A. Pulled the Brandon Phillips hit. Flipping over to my side. So we got a orange refractor Babe Ruth and a blue refractor auto in the first pack. Not bad. Josh Hamilton. CC. Aparicio. Stargell out of 299. The hit. Poppy Power. David Ortiz. 69 and 99. Another hit for the Red Sox. John A. Flip back over to Scott's side. Got a blue refractor in this one. Edgar Martinez. Carlton Fisk. Reggie Jackson. The Blues of Roy Halladay. 199 going to the Phillies. And the hit is a Pablo Sandoval for the Giants out of 99. Giants, Glenn G down in Team Group C. There you go. First hit for you, brother. We still have 3 packs left. 3 hits. John Smoltz. Paul Molitor. Cliff Lee. You got a Joe Mauer at 299. The hit is going to be Mike Schmidt, World Series relic. We've pulled a few of these. 15 out of 99 going to the Phillies. John M down in Team Group B with another hit. Here's an auto. Adrian Gonzalez. Al Kaline. Babe Ruth base. Your refractors is Duke Snyder for the Dodgers out of 299. The hit. Bert Blyleven out of 99 for the Twins. It's a huge autograph. Jeez. Twins, Jared K. So we still got 1 pack, then we're raffling out that free hobby box. Lou Brock. Johnny Bench. Chase Utley. You got a Carlton Fisk for the Red Sox on 199. Looks like orange or gold, I can't tell. It's a Yankee. Alex Rodriguez, World Series relic out of 25. It's going to be an orange. Another hit for the Yankees, Stanley R. There you go, brother. Yankees cleaned up. If you didn't get a hit, don't go anywhere. We're going to raffle off this free hobby box. In the meantime, we're going to recap the hits, and we'll catch you back in 2. We're going to start with this Babe Ruth. It's amazing, out of 50. Coming down here, this quad relic
doesn't count as a hit.
Right.
Yeah.
This quad relic's going, well, it doesn't matter. Yankees already pulled,
Yeah.
but that's fine. Dodgers with the Matt Kemp went to Jared K. He bought 4 spots. This card's going to him. Phillies with the Mike Schmidt relic. Mets with the Wally Bachman auto. Rangers with the Elvis Andrus. Pablo Sandoval for the Giants. Coming out here, Jared Parker for the A's. Twins with the Blyleven. Reds with the blue refractor Brandon Phillips. Red Sox with 2 hits. Tigers, my man Lance Parrish, bringing it. Yankees with the Bichette and the Noesi, out of 25, and that Rodriguez out of 25. And the hit of the break, Garrett Cole auto for the Pirates out of 50. If you don't have a team listed down there, that means you're still eligible for this free hobby box. So we'll catch you back in 2. Here we go. Let's give away a free hobby box. Let's do it. 2010 Chrome Baseball hobby box right there. Here's the empty pot. Nothing in there. Teams going in. White Sox, Blue Jays, Brewers, Braves, D-backs, Mariners, Orioles, Rays, Marlins, Padres, Royals, Indians, Nationals, Astros, Rockies, Cardinals, Cubs, Angels. Gonna mix these up. Hand out back in. Some more. Wherever Scott says go. Go. Whoever owns the Brew Crew, Jeff G. Down to Team Group D, bought 2 spots and got the free hobby box. I don't think you got a hit, Jeff, in the break, but you got the free hobby box. So there you go, brother. Hopefully you had a hit, had some fun. We threw another one of these up, but we changed the product around a little bit. Tribute collection, museum collection, and 2 tier 1s, I believe. So check us out, teamboxbreak.com.
The champ is here! The champ is here! The champ is here!